This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Downing. There is a lot to love about this single-family detached condo in the center of everything. Central commute to Norfolk, Portsmouth, Little Creek and Oceana bases. Great open floor plan with first floor master. Huge master closet. Walk-in attic and plenty of other storage, including dual pantries in the kitchen. New HVAC into 2020. Bright and sunny. Be closed in time for the holidays. For more information, review the details below or contact Adrienne Downing at 757-499-0124.